Desaturating shadows is one of the most important elements in achieving the film look. We're going to be discussing the two main ways to desaturate shadows. Let's look at the problem first. You increase the saturation in your images and your image looks weird. The problem is, shadows are very saturated, and whatever you do to the image from here, shadows are just gonna keep on looking weirder and weirder. The solution is to desaturate shadows. The first method is to come to curves and choose luma versus saturation. Now, in this curve, this point represents shadows and this point represents highlights. So I'm simply going to bring the saturation down in shadows, then I'm going to be dragging the point here to the left or right to select more or less of the shadows. Let's reset. The other way is to simply add a new node. So now I have a new node here. Go to Color, Presets, and choose Chroma Dark. What happened here is that Resolve created a qualifier mask for the shadows and reduced the saturation to 0. Now if I go back to node 2, the node that is before desaturation shadows, and I change anything about it, the image will look more natural and more filmic. So for example, let's bring the shadows here, and now I'm going to come to node 3 here, deactivate it, and take a look at the shadows before desaturating shadows and after. If you like this video, please visit us at learncolorgrading.com.